Thailand, first Asian nation to operate Gripens, integrating them with Swedish Area AEW systems. Brazil chose the Gripen EF for its FX-2 fighter competition with local production via Embraer. UK Empire Test Pilots School uses the Gripen as a training platform for test pilots. NATO interoperability Gripen has been deployed on NATO missions, proving its compatibility with alliance systems. Combat experience. While it has not seen major combat, the Gripen has participated in peacekeeping missions and Baltic air policing. Survivability features advanced electronic warfare and countermeasure systems for survivability in hostile environments.